Hello dear students, today our topic is chapter 1 sets, they are in problem set 1. We will start with question number 3. What is question number 3? There are 100 persons in a group and out of which 72 persons speak English, 43 persons speak French and each one of them speaks at least one language. So we have to find different sets. So let's start. Solution: let E be the set of persons speaking English and F that of persons speaking French. So there are 72 persons who speak English, therefore number of elements in set E equals to 72, and there are 43 persons who speak French, therefore number of persons in set F is 43. Now each one of them speaks at least one language, means that person will come in, that person is a member of set E or that person is the element of set F. Each one of them speaks at least one language. At least one language. Therefore, the set of all these persons will be represented by which set? Universal set or union set? It will be represented by union set. Therefore, number of elements in set E union F equals to 100. These are the 100 persons who speak at least one of the language. Therefore, union set will be 100. Now we have to find who are the persons, what is the number of persons who speak only English. Now when we have to find the persons who speak only English, we have to subtract the number of persons who speak both the language from this set. So therefore first we will have to find number of persons who speak both the languages, and both the languages set will be called as intersection set. So first find intersection set. How will you find intersection set? Therefore number of elements in set E union F equals to number of elements in set E plus number of elements in set F minus number of elements in set E intersection F. Therefore E union F is 100, N of E is 72 plus N of F is 43 minus N of E intersection F. Now therefore N of E intersection F equals to 72 plus 43, 115 and minus 100. Therefore number of elements in set E intersection F equals to 15. It means 15 persons are there who speak both the languages. Now we have to find how many persons speak only English and how many persons speak only French. So persons speaking only English, how will you find that? Equals to number of elements in set E minus number of element in intersection sets. minus number of elements in set E intersection F, that is equals to 72 minus 15% speaks both the languages, so minus 15, and 72 minus 15, that is 57. So 57 persons speak only English, they do not speak French. Now persons speaking only French, only French, this will be equal to number of elements in set F, again minus number of elements in set E intersection F, that is equal to 43 minus 15, and 43 minus 15, 28. So 15 persons speak both the languages, 57 persons speak only English, and 28 persons speak only French. Now question number 4. In a tree plantation week, 70 trees were planted by Parth, 90 trees were planted by Pradnya, and they both together planted 25 trees. So now we have to find how many trees were planted by Parth or Pradnya. So solution: let A is the set representing trees planted by Parth, and B that of trees planted by Pradnya. Therefore, what is the number of elements in set A? Trees planted by Parth, this is equals to 70. And what is the number of trees? What is the number of elements of set B? This will be equal to 90. Now both of them together planted 25 trees. They both planted trees together, that is 25. Therefore, how we will represent that set? What we will call this set? This set will be number of elements in set A intersection B. This will be A intersection B set. This will be equals to 25. Now we have to find how many trees were planted by Parth or Pradnya. So this will be called union set. Trees planted by Parth or Pradnya. This will be number of elements in set A union B equals to number of elements in set A plus number of elements in set B minus number of elements in set A intersection B. So this is equal to 70 plus 90 minus 25. This is equals to 160 minus 25. This is equals to 135. So Parth and Pradnya, they planted 135 trees.